Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and get logged out of all of your devices on your Instagram. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do, first of all, you're gonna go ahead and access your Instagram on your mobile phone. Once you've done so, this is basically gonna look like the first time you open up your account. Of course, here in the home section, afterwards you're going to go ahead, tap on your profile icon below right corner. Now go ahead, tap on this three horizontal line top right corner, and now tap on this option called settings given over here. Now once you have done so, you can go ahead, scroll down, tap on this option called security given below, and tap on this option called login activity on the below password over here. This will simply show you all the activities that you are logged in, and in case if you are suspicious of any and you want to log out from other activity where you are logged in from, you can go ahead, tap on this three dot given and tap on this logout option. You simply will be able to get logged out from that space easily, from that device or from that location, and you can go back and again go to your password section and change your password to something else. So if in case you are logged in from another device or another person's device, you will get logged out from there and your current device will still be active. So this is the way, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye bye.